hello everyone! During our today's tutorial we're gonna paint this lovely bird in watercolor style. And for today's class I already prepared the sketch and I'm gonna use a watercolor paper from one of my papers, 5 papers that I created especially for Procreate, for watercolor illustration, but of course you don't need to have them. If you already have your own watercolor paper, it's totally fine. And as a brush set, I'm gonna use my brush set, which is called True Watercolor, and I think we're ready to start painting. I'm gonna start with blue oval brush, and as you see the colors are so lovely, brownish color like this. I'll increase the size. You can overlap, it's totally fine. And guys, what's important about painting in watercolor style is that, like in any other styles, is that you can't use just one color or just 2 colors if you want to create some kind of illustration, especially birds, because as you see here the bird has variety of different shades and it looks beautiful. Also guys, one of the features of my today's class is that we won't remove the sketching layer. I want to keep it and I think it would be very beautiful. Now I want to grab dark purple color. I want to show the shade here. Also we have some dark shades in this area, like in an area where we have 2 different colors of the bird. This purple color looks amazing. And in a lower part of a beak here. Now purple color. So which is cool, now we can go and grab the color that we would like to use. By the way guys, this bird I found on the website unsplash.com. We can play around, change the colors a little bit, add a little bit of purplish color, pink color for cheeks. I want to make this bird cute. Yeah, there are some dark spots. Even dark gray. And I still want to add some brown shades to the bird. It's so fat and cute. This is my type of birds that I actually particularly like so much. Gray color. I'll create one more layer above and I want to start painting eyes, but I would like to do it on a separate layer. Okay, very lovely. Don't forget, you also need to keep some light part. It can't be totally black, like this. One more layer underneath. I want to draw some kind, let me think what it will be. Maybe it's pipe, but I want to make it like a tree branch. And I want to make it pretty light because I don't want to make our bird too dark. Okay, now let's return to the bird and now we need to blend some overlappings. Okay guys, I'm gonna use BooStudio Splash brush and blender. I'll use it as a blender because the way how it blends colors is very realistic. Razor, we have textured emerald blender, and yep, the second one. This blender is less gentle. By the way, how it blends also very cool. You can do like some kind of circular shapes. I like the way how it looks. If you want, you can make our bird brighter, if you want, of course. And for that you need to go to curves and play around. You can make it bird even like brighter. It looks beautiful. So I'm gonna stick to this part. So I'll create one more layer above, and I won't clip it or anything, but I will move the layer mode to the multiply blending layer mode, and I'll stick to Boo Opal brush because it adds this warm feeling to our bird, which I want to keep. Blending tool and blend it a little bit. And some parts I leave untouched. I don't actually want to do anything with that. Now I want to merge everything together like that. Create one more layer, move to multiply, and do same. So I want to show the shade from the bird. Okay, next step, what we're gonna do, we will merge that together. Go to curves, and you can darken the bird a little bit. Next step, I want to add some shade to the branch. Create one more layer, move to multiply. Next step, I want to add some kind of background. For that, I'll create one more layer and place it underneath, and I'll move the blending layer mode to multiply. And speaking about color, I want to grab bluish shade. So here in the brush set we have plenty of different stamps that might be suitable. Next, you see we have some overlappings. I want to remove that. For that, go grab freehand and select the bird and the parts where the bird is overlapping with our background. Next, 3-finger down and press cut. Also, what else you might do? You might go to the curves and make it lighter, brighter, play with the color variations. You can make it more saturated. Of course, don't make it purple, because we already have pretty purple bird. Okay, it looks very good. If you want, you can blend some parts. Let me think, I want to add some stamp to this part. And I want to add a stamp here. Once again, you can go to curves and make the stamps even more saturated, like this. And same you can do with our background. So I do like the way how the stamps look. They, I think, bring more saturation, more contrast to our bird. And do same with background. Same. Cut. And one more here. Remove the overlappings. Cut. Ta-da-da! Guys, our bird is ready. And I think we can call this piece finished. I like the way how the bird looks like. If you like, you can also add some kind of quote, you can turn it into the postcard. How to do that? Let's move to black color, merge that together, and go tap add text, and we need to write something like, and we can increase the size. That's for sure. We will place to my friend on the top and add more text, and we can write something like, next, what you can do, you can select it and you can lower the size of the font, of course. Done. You can place it somewhere here. And voila, we have lovely postcard. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my today's tutorial, and if you like it, you can subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new tutorial. Bye bye!